When it comes to digital literacy, all things digital are tools that we have to use. Those that are competent in using them today will just have superpowers compared to everyone else who is hesitant toward embracing.
TikToks was like a non-conventional medium at the time, but it really seemed like the most effective way to access the population we were trying to help.
So much of my research took place online. I have to be able to kind of sort through the noise and look for the sections, the people, the things that I need for my research.
Let's get down to what's actually needed so that people can read it and quickly act on it.
Staring at Excel sheets all day, the more I played around with it, the faster I got. I think that all is going to help me transitioning into my new role.
Because of all of the experiences and involvements I've had in LSU, I know that after graduation, I will be ready to roar.